Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, so we're back. Well, not really back, but I found this new game. Played it for a little while, and it's actually pretty fun. Well, I mean, yeah, I get to ride animals. Yee. Okay. Sorry. Anyways, so I've just got enough money to buy this Tundra. So okay, Andiamos. I also got this new line, so it is yeah, I know it's my baby. No one can have it. It's mine. Anyways, yeah. Okay. So we have to get to the new Tundra. Yeah. Can you move like any faster? Like actually run instead of go like 0.5 miles an hour. Instead of going forward, you're kind of going backwards. Oh, come on, you can do it. Come on, almost there. Almost there. Oh, wait, is that the Tundra? Oh my god, it is. Yeah. Oh my god, you're clear. You're clear. Okay. No, my beautiful little lion. How could that rock do this to you? Okay. Did my lion just eat an elephant? Oh my god. Okay, I'm now writing. There's a penguin. I want a penguin. Okay. They're actually pretty. The timer for them is actually pretty slow. Like no, it's not slow. It's pretty fast. Okay, I want a penguin. Give me the penguin. I want the penguin. Yes. Okay. Oh my god! Why am I riding the penguin like a surfboard? Like I'm penguin surfing. Hey, Pizza God, what do you do for a living? Oh yeah, I penguin surf. Poor penguin. How is this penguin holding me? I feel like I broke his back. Probably did. You know me weighing over like I'm probably heavier than the sun. No, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm totally fine. Okay. Jumps. Is that? Sorry. Is that? It's wait. No shot. There's Italian bread in here. No shot. Pieces flowing like a river, flower. Okay, I'm fine. I'm fine. Fine. I'm just gonna. Yeah, no, totally fine. Totally fine. Totally. Why? Just how's got Italian bread? Why is my penguin so small? He's a little baby penguin. And how is my yak so tiny? But like, how does the Italian breed not even like fit into this game? What? Hey. Well, fairness is actually quite slow. Oh man. I need to find. I know there's like a narwhal, unicorn. Yay. Okay, I need to find the unicorn fish. I want to find the unicorn fish. Unicorn fish. Unicorn fish. Unicorn fish. Okay. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round. I'm sorry. Wait, bring the savannah. A wimboa, a wimboa, a wimboa, a wimboa. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. A wimboa, a wimboa, a wimboa, a wimboa. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. A wimboa, a wimboa, a wimboa, a wimboa. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Wait, 1 second. Isn't like the walrus like legendary or something? I saw like 5 last time. Meh. A win boy. A win boy. No, we're no longer in the jungle. There it is. We have to catch up there. No, let's catch up with that weird. There's it. Swap. Let's go. Sorry. What? What am I doing to? Okay. What? Sorry. What is that position? It looks like I'm. What? Sorry. What? Okay. I need to find a bigger yak or more moose. Moose? What's the plural of moose? Sorry, 1 second. I'm gonna search up what's the plural of moose. Mice? Is that? Sorry. No. The plural of moose. What? Yeah, the plural of moose is moose. So, okay. So, here, the word moose. Moose. There are 2 moose in the farm. Okay, so the plural of moose is moose. So there's a bunch of moose. Sorry, what? Okay, why wouldn't you use mooses or mice? Now, look, mice ice, moose ice. I'm just gonna call it moose ice. Yeah. Moose ice, mice, I sometimes don't understand English. Moose. The plural of moose is moose. Just James just sing Wimboe and every single full time. A Wimboe, a Wimboe, a Wimboe, a Wimboe, in the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lions sleep. Okay, we're in the tundra. Wait, you sing up. Wait. It's time, all I want for Christmas. Okay, yeah. I also kind of forgot the song. Okay, it's time to go penguin surfing. I don't know. I just want to surf a penguin. Not surf. What is surf a penguin? What's the verb of surfing? Surfing, yeah, not surf. You would surf a penguin. All I want for Christmas is you. Okay, now we need to find the rainbow fish. No, not rainbow, unicorn fish. Oh, behold. Wait, sorry, what's that? Sorry. Zoo is full. Oh, sorry. Aqua. Wait, how do you get? So, after you $1 million and a jellyfish motif. Here you go. And do they give me coral? But like, how much? Just I don't even have $1. Where am I supposed to? Where am I supposed to get the jellyfish mutation? Ho ho ho. Okay, this yak, you are tiny. I need to pick you up. Pick up. Okay. And sorry. Where's that penguin? He looks a little baby. Why is everything in the tundra so small? Yeah, why are you so small? Why are you so small? Small. Yeah, penguin. Where's my penguin? You're so tiny, little baby penguin. Okay. Now, yeah, just everything in the tundra is just small. Yeah, I'll just come to that conclusion. Okay. Let's do this. Sorry, I rubbed my hands too hard and I cracked my finger. Not in that sense, but a win boy, a win boy, a win boy, a win boy. In the jungles, the mighty jungles, the lion sleeps tonight. Okay. Okay. Ow. I want to eat a zebra. Okay, guys, that will be it for today. Ciao.